this wind is kicking up here.
Okay. What's the coolest thing about this train?
That we get our own room.
We have our own room.
And we can take off the mask.
Look at this.
Oh
We have our own room. This is what we wanted from our first train ride when we saw that they had rooms.
I thought we were moving.
We finally
Mostly
finally
because
got
it
one.
was so silent.
Our trip started out a little different today because we got a ride to the Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof.
Yeah.
Because of the bridge that's out right now in Wiesbaden. It would have taken us an hour and a half to get here on public transportation, and that's ridiculous.
Yay! Switzerland! Here we come!
Made it to our Airbnb. So here's a little tour before we destroy it. This is the front door. So we walk right into a tiny little dining room. Here we have a kitchen.
It's beautiful.
It's very functional.
That's amazing.
Here, we'll put some lights on. Little kitchen. I guess it's well stocked for cooking. Oh, that doesn't look healthy. That's a little refrigerator.
As you put eggs in it.
I like it. This door that we probably can't. Oh.
What is it?
This is where the elevator goes. That's pretty awesome. This is the washroom. It's shower. Pretty functional. That's about it. And we have one of the bedrooms, a bed. Another bed. Guess we have a little balcony.
We do?
We had these tiniest little balcony for one chair. Here's the other room.
Fan. Thank you.
That's. Oh, you have your own little balcony as well.
Ready?
And the
Ready
no,
for this?
no.
Why?
Go ahead.
Donna.
Oh look, it's the other room.
Oh look.
That's it. Day one. Day two? Day one.
Day two.
Day two that we're here. This morning started off a little rough. We were woken up by our neighbors at like 5 a.m. and that really sucked. Then we filled our water bottles, and I had my water bottle in my bag, and I laid it on the bed as I was still putting stuff in it, and apparently my lid leaks. So now half my backpack is wet. Kendall's backpack was soaking, so she's not taking it. We're headed up to the top today. Hopefully it's not too cold up there. Oh, Jungfrau Joch. Pretty man-made, to say the least.
They're all coming to us.
Yeah. You want one?
What?
Let's get that big yellow one. All
I
right.
want to get a small one, the black one.
On to our next adventure.
Oh, it says don't feed them.
What?
Don't feed the fish.
Creepy.
What?
What the hell is that?
Oh my god, if she moved.
Oh, there's a bunch of them in there.
Really?
Yeah, go closer here. There's a bunch more.
Okay.
There's somebody driving.
That was scary.
Creepy.
Where are we right now?
We are on the train to go to Grindelwald to take a rail car. What did I say? A what? A cable car. To Eiger Gleiter. and then we change trains and take something else. A cable car or a train up to Jungfrau.
Train, but it's a
We go through the mountain.
yeah.
And there's no one on this right now, or at least in this car.
Nobody right now.
Are you excited?
Yes.
High five. Are you excited, Dad?
Huh? Yeah.
Fist bump.
Fist bump. We don't know who that is.
To come up to Jungfrau Joch, you can go online and make a seat reservation for this cogwheel. Is that what this is?
I don't know what this is.
Whatever this train is, you can make a reservation. It's 10 franc per reservation per seat. And we saw maybe 10 people that made the reservation, and I'm sure like they have some seats far up on that end, but everyone else didn't make a reservation, and we all got on just fine. So it's so expensive here. We did it to save money, and it would have been pointless to pay the extra money. I don't think it would have been worth it.
Yeah, don't pay extra for the reservation. This thing is moving pretty fast. So there are restrooms. That's where everybody heads as soon as they get off the cogwheel. It's downstairs. Then there's like a Bollywood restaurant right there. But yeah, a little ice place or ice deck. Can't go because it's falling ice.
We've already stopped to put our jackets on, but this one is like, oh, maybe I should put my jacket on now.
Are you wasting the GoPro battery?
I am wasting GoPro battery. Well, you know, just hanging out above the clouds. Helping us out, Chris.
So this is the, what was this called? The lookout? No, this is the platform. So this is the platform where you get to see all the mountains. flag was. And now you can come down and you can hike. They say it takes about 45 minutes.
I can't see anything.
What?
It's so bright. Ah, the sun came out. I can't see.
That goes fast.
Well, if you want, you can take this, what is it, escalator? Walking escalator?
Oh, yeah.
This is the Alpine Sensation. All it is a bunch of pictures on the wall and blue lights.
Pretty music.
This place is a little confusing. You gotta kind of follow the signs and figure out what you want to do. It did have a bar, kind of like a little mini cafe bar. Had a coffee and Bailey's up out on the snow, so that's pretty cool. All right, here goes nothing with the Ice Palace. It's pretty remarkable how not slick it is. Like our shoes are like sticking to the floor. Like it's really not that bad.
It's really cool in here. Super
Yeah.
cool.
Definitely
Well,
worth it up
in
here.
more ways than one.
Yeah, more ways than one. So now we're going on the plateau. Touch the flag. Oh, what did we get?
We got burger and fries for Kendall.
From Piz Paz. Piz
Christopher got spaghetti with
shrimp,
shrimp and something else.
Ricola,
We got bruschetta.
bruschetta.
That's mine. That's a penne with a gorgonzola cheese sauce.
Nice. Fry.
McDonald's fries almost.
Palmas fries.
Yep.
They're good. What's this?
63 franc
63 franc.
is what this. Ooh, look at that, Christopher.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad. This is a bruschetta. I think mine spilled on it.
Oh, that smells good.
That smells disgusting.
Bruschetta.
Bruschetta.
And then spaghetti gorgonzola cheese. Penne.
Penne.
Penne looks pretty good.
Yeah.
All right. So, what did we think about dinner?
It was really good.
Yeah. How about you?
I would eat there again.
I would eat there again too. It was pretty good. 65 franc.
Yeah, it's about
65 francs. So I mean, it's expensive, but it wasn't bad. Not too bad. Right around the coast, called a Piz Paz.
It's fast.
Piz Paz. It's a Deutschbahn.
The Deutschbahn.
Well, Not gonna be able to see a whole lot out here when we go out, but I guess we'll try.
Take your It's not good. I can't get it. That's
You haven't
not good.
zoomed in?
No. Like, I just couldn't get it.
Can I at least get a whiskey?
Yeah.
Thank you. What'd you do? Can't get unlocked?
That's not inside mess with it anymore.
Oh my gosh.